It's 2 a.m. You're staring at your phone screen in the dark. The blue light is the only thing illuminating your face. You just saw the notification, a 15% drop in your biggest holding. Your heart sinks. You're calculating the loss in your head. That's 2 months of mortgage. That's your kid's college fund taking a hit. I know exactly how you feel, because I'm not just talking about the market, I'm talking about you. You've spent the last 3 years following every guru on Twitter. You bought the dip on tech stocks because Reddit said it was a moon mission. But while you were sleeping, the big banks, the Goldman Sachs, the BlackRocks of the world were liquidity trapping you. There is a silent killer in your portfolio right now. It's not inflation. It's not the Fed. It's a mathematical trap that 95% of retail traders fall into. And by the end of this video, you will either be the one who gets trapped or the one who sets the trap. The choice is yours. Welcome to Fino Capital's ultimate guide to surviving the 2026 volatility. Why does every trade you take go green for 5 minutes, then instantly hit your stop loss and then go in your direction? Is the market rigged? No, but it is designed to find your pain point. Think of the S&P 500 like an ocean. You are a small fish. The whales don't care about your $5,000 account, but they care about where 100,000 people like you put their stop loss. That is called liquidity. They need your sell orders to fill their $1 million buy orders. In the US market, we have the highest concentration of algorithmic trading. These algos are programmed to hunt your fear. If you don't know where the liquidity lies, you are the liquidity. Look at this price action. To the untrained eye, this looks like a breakout. To a professional, this is a bull trap. Notice the volume? It's dying. The price is going up, but the smart money is leaving the room. It's like a party where the music is still playing, but the hosts have already locked the safe and left through the back door. Forget the 50 different indicators on your screen. Indicators are lagging, they tell you what happened. Price is leading, it tells you what is happening. In the USA, round numbers are psychological magnets. Look at Apple at $200 or Bitcoin at $60,000. These aren't just numbers, they are battlefields. If you aren't watching the tape at these levels, you're flying blind. Let's talk about wealth management and your retirement. In the US, we are obsessed with returns, but a 10% gain after a 50% loss doesn't make you even. It leaves you broke. If you lose 10%, you need an 11% gain to break even. If you lose 50%, you need a 100% gain just to get back to zero. Most of you are trading without a safety net. You are skydiving and hoping the ground is soft. The secret to passive income isn't picking the next Nvidia, it's risk management. I use a 3-to-1 ratio. If I'm risking $100, I must have the potential to make $300. If the chart doesn't offer that, I walk away. There is always another trade. This is what they don't teach you in business school. We call it the institutional spring. It happens when the market breaks a major support level. Everyone panics and sells, and then the price recovers instantly. We don't buy the breakout. We buy the retest. We wait for the smart money to show their hand. We look for the bullish hammer, that sign where the market tries to push a stock down, but the buyers step in and say, no more. This is a huge signal in the first 30 minutes of the US market open. The biggest threat to your bank account isn't Jerome Powell or the interest rates. It's the person you see in the mirror every morning. It's revenge trading. It's FOMO. The elite 1% of traders in New York aren't smarter than you. They are just more boring than you. They have a system. They follow the math. They don't feel the fear because they have already calculated the loss before they even enter the trade. Stop looking for the holy grail indicator. Start looking for discipline. I've just given you the map, but a map is useless if you're afraid to walk the path. Tomorrow morning, when the NYSE bell rings at 9:30 a.m., you have two choices. You can be the liquidity for someone else, or you can be the one who understands the game. If you want to see my private watch list for the next Black Swan event, check the link below. And if you're serious about protecting your family's financial future, subscribe to Fino Capital.